lights, camera, and action. We're going to take those bolts out to get to that section right here that we're going to replace one day. But first, the panel. You ready for this? You bust out the back window. You run 2 wires down to the actuator, all the way down there. Let me get my light. And we have power. See those? Shoot, let's see if I can get a video of it. Can I? So I found the 2 wires for the actuator. Let's see, get it this way. Come on. Oh well, I'll get it. And then what I'll do is put power to this thing and I'll pop the door open. Check this out. See? I got it open. So what you use is just regular battery. Just positive and negative to the 2 wires, and I'll show you when I remove this door panel, and that's what I'm going to do. Hopefully your car doesn't look like this. This one does. It actually looks pretty easy. I removed this actually from the outside. See? These are just pull. Just pull on these. Pull, and these will pop out in your hand. This overlaps over here, just like that. But pretend it's up here where it was originally. Right? So it's easiest to pull from here, right? And this whole piece will just come straight down in your hand. Got it? So these overlap over here. Got it? Good. Now, got one more screw right in there. We gotta get this guy out, and this whole panel will pop out in our hands. And with gloves and safety glasses, which you should not need, I'm gonna show you what I did to get this door open. See? Found the 2 wires for the actuator and just pop them with a battery. So, before you pull the 8 mils out, I'm going to show you how to get this little clip out, because that's the camera. So you got this red safety again, because these Smurfs are always up to no good, and they always want to steal everything. So you want to pull that out. Same over here, another red clip, and then unplug this. Now, this car is completely dead, so I would say, I don't know, disconnect the battery if you'd like to. I wouldn't I wouldn't do this without, maybe, but I would still do it on the safe side. So let's get the 8 mils. Let's get to work. Part number. I'm not sure if that's what it's for, but let's get the camera out. Now, these are just snaps. These help it snap into place. I just use my fork tool, or as my buddy says, cat claw. And I'm pretty sure I have glass in my shoe now. So let's get that out. All right, now where are we? Let's get this camera out and see. Tell me it's those tiny little torques. See them things? My God. Let's see. I think it is. Let's get them out. All right, so out of all these, I do not have this, but I guarantee that's what it is. Those 2 little torques. Yep. So, I'll put it in the back and say, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. And let's see, is this upside down? It is. Don't be like me. Go to school. Thanks for watching.